Today, we're breaking down the pricing of Book Like a Boss and answering the big question. Is a lifetime deal still worth it? Let's get into it. It's an all-in-one booking and landing page platform used by coaches, freelancers, service providers, basically anyone who books appointments or sells services online. You can accept payments, set availability, create packages, and even embed video calls all from one place. On their main site, Book Like a Boss offers plans starting at $10 per month for the espresso plan, all the way up to $30 per month for latte, which includes unlimited bookings, recurring appointments, and custom branding. You can also choose annual plans and save up to 25%. So, is the lifetime deal still worth it? Yes, if you catch it on AppSumo or in promos, the lifetime deal is a steal. For a one-time payment, you get lifetime access with core features, unlimited bookings, and payment integrations. It's ideal for solo users or small teams who don't want monthly bills. So if you're running a service-based business and want simple branded booking without the monthly stress, Book Like a Boss might just be your smartest move.